Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Slow English podcast channel. I'm Honey and I'm very happy you're here today. If you're learning English, you've probably seen words like have, has, do, does, don't, did, and didn't many times. They look simple, but they can be confusing. Today, we're going to talk about how to use these words in everyday English. Don't worry, we'll use simple examples and easy explanations. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's learn together. Before we begin, how are you today? Maybe you're listening while walking, driving, studying, or relaxing at home. Well, wherever you are, thank you for joining me. Part 1. Understanding have and has. Let's start with have and has. These words usually show possession. In simple words, they tell us what someone owns or has. Examples: I have a book. You have a car. We have a meeting today. They have 2 dogs. Now, let's look at has. We use has with he, she, it. Examples: he has a new phone. She has a beautiful smile. It has 4 legs. Easy rule: I/you/we/they arrow have. He/she/it arrow has. Here's a funny example. I have 1 cup of coffee. My friend has 5 cups of coffee. Who needs more sleep? Probably both of us. Listening practice. Listen carefully. I have a cat. She has a cat. One more time. I have a cat. She has a cat. Can you hear the difference? Great. Part 2. Using do and does. Now, let's talk about do and does. These words are often used for questions. Examples: do you speak English? Do they like pizza? Do we need more time? For he, she, it, we use does. Examples: does he play soccer? Does she work here? Does it look good? Easy rule: I/you/we/they arrow do. He/she/it arrow does. Let's practice together. Question: do you like coffee? My answer: yes, I do. Question: does your friend like coffee? Answer: yes, she does. Very simple. Useful phrase: do you? This is one of the most common question patterns in English. Examples: do you study English every day? Do you watch YouTube? Do you enjoy podcasts? Part 3. Using don't and doesn't. Now, let's make negative sentences. When we want to say no or not, we often use don't and doesn't. Examples: I don't like spicy food. You don't need to worry. We don't have enough time. They don't live here. For he, she, and it, he doesn't drive. She doesn't drink coffee. It doesn't work. Easy rule: I/you/we/they arrow don't. He/she/it arrow doesn't. Let's compare. Positive: I like pizza. Negative: I don't like pizza. Positive: she likes pizza. Negative: she doesn't like pizza. Notice something? After doesn't, we use the base verb. Not, she doesn't likes pizza. Correct. She doesn't like pizza. This is a very common mistake for learners. Quick practice. Repeat after me. I don't know. We don't understand. He doesn't know. She doesn't understand. Excellent. Part 4. Using did and didn't. Now, let's move to the past. When we talk about yesterday, last week, or last year, we often use did and didn't. Examples: Did you go to school yesterday? Did they call you? Did she finish her homework? Notice that we use did for everyone. I, you, he, she, we, they. Everyone uses did. That's good news. Only one word to remember. Positive answer. Question: Did you watch the movie? Answer: Yes, I did. Negative answer: Did you watch the movie? No, I didn't. Very easy. Part 5. Using didn't. Let's make negative sentences in the past. Examples: I didn't go to school yesterday. She didn't call me. They didn't finish the project. We didn't see the movie. Important rule: after didn't, use the base verb. Correct: She didn't go. Incorrect: She didn't went. Correct: He didn't eat. Incorrect: He didn't ate. Common mistake. Many learners say, I didn't went, but the correct sentence is, I didn't go. Why? Because did already shows the past. The main verb returns to its basic form. Part 6. Real-life conversation. Honey, let's imagine a conversation between two friends. Conversation: Tom, do you have a bike? Anna: Yes, I do. Tom: Does your brother have one too? Anna: No, he doesn't. Tom: Did you ride your bike yesterday? Anna: Yes, I did. Tom: Did your brother ride with you? Anna: No, he didn't. Tom: Why not? Anna: Because he doesn't like exercise. Tom: Really? I don't believe that. See, we used have, has, do, does, don't, did, didn't, all in one natural conversation. Part 7. Honey's personal story. Honey, let me tell you a short story. When I first started learning English, I made many mistakes. One day I said, She don't like coffee. My teacher smiled and said, Almost correct. She doesn't like coffee. I laughed and said, Oh no, English is difficult. But little by little, I improved. I practiced every day. Did I make mistakes? Yes, I did. Did I give up? No, I didn't. And that's the important thing. Learning English takes time, but practice helps a lot. Useful phrases for learners. Have/has. I have a question. She has a good idea. He has a new job. Do/does. Do you understand? Do you agree? Does she live here? Don't/doesn't. I don't know. We don't have time. He doesn't understand. Did/didn't. Did you call me? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. We didn't finish. Quick review. Present. I have. You have. We have. They have. Present. He/she/it. He has. She has. It has. Questions. Do you? Do they? Questions. He/she/it. Does he? Does she? Negative. I don't. You don't. We don't. They don't. Negative. He, she, it. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. Past. Did you? Did she? Did they? Past negative. I didn't. He didn't. We didn't. They didn't. Conclusion. Honey, today we learned how to use have, has, do, does, don't, doesn't, did, didn't. Remember, don't worry if you make mistakes. Every English speaker was a beginner once. Practice a little every day. Listen, repeat, and use these words in real conversations. Did you learn something new today? I hope you did. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Honey, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.